Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back working with Mustang again today. I'm fixing to get the turbo kit off of it, the motor and everything pulled out. I already pulled the passenger side fender off of it, so it's off now. I'm getting it ready. I'm going to have the motor out of it. We're going to start getting it cleaned up. I got to finish welding on the cage, but I'm getting it prepped so I can get off the paint, so we can get the car redone and get it back so we can start assembling on it. But the cage is in, it's just got to be welded up. The turbo kit's done, I just got a few pieces I got to weld on it. And then I made the downpipe already. I'll show that to y'all some other time once I get the fenders back on it and get it put on. It turned out really good, but I'm gonna get started on this. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I got the car pretty stripped down, getting ready for paint. I'm fixing these dents up here where the hood flew up last year and dented that. I got that part down there fixed to where it was beat up from the hood flying up also. Getting ready to pull this old motor out. I'm doing some different stuff with the tube work up here. We're doing a little differently than what you used to do. You can see where I had it cut off. This side here is already ground down, and I'm going to redo that once I get the motor out of it. But she's really stripped down. But I'm going to get this motor pulled out. So I got the motor partially pulled out. You can see the damage from last year, or from earlier this year. Yeah, you can still spin the rods. They're still on the journal. You can still spin them. Yeah, still spin both rods. Journals in there. There's the damage. Alright guys, I got some more done on the car. I got the driver's seat mounted. I put the dash back in and got the dash position and figured out where the steering column needed to be, and I used the factory brackets to mount the steering column. I just cut them out of the factory metal out of the dash, then mounted them on the door or the dash bar. But I'll spin around here and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, the steering wheel is in it. The factory dash, I got it where it will go back in. I dropped the seat down 2 inches and leaned it back a little bit more than what it was, because when I put my helmet on I was always touching the roof. But now I got this hoop in here, my head clears it now with the seat down. But when the seat was still 2 inches higher, my head was touching the bar. But just used the factory brackets and welded them back. I about got the cage about done. I get this thing in primer before it starts getting a bunch of surface rust. But that's where she's at right now. Pull it off. Pull it off with your finger. Alright guys, this is my next step I'm about to do. I'm about to cut the trunk floorboard out of it and take the fuel tank out, because I'm going to end up putting an aluminum floor back here and getting rid of the stock tank and putting a cell in it, because my fuel lines and fuel pump hang down low for that sump on the factory tank. So once I get the cell in it, I'll be able to put everything up underneath the car and get it out of the way. I also took some time and I removed all the factory sound deadener. That was a couple hour job, but most of that's done. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna fix and drop this tank and get to cutting on this floorboard. Alright guys, I got the fuel cell out of it and the floor cut out of the trunk. I'm going to get some aluminum and we'll cut it to fit and put it back in there. Then my fuel cell will go around top, and I'll probably mount my battery over here, maybe on that side. I just haven't decided yet, but got her all cut out. See how much it'll lighten her up. That's where she is right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I got the car pretty far. I got the pan cut out of the trunk. I'm going to get some aluminum and cut me an aluminum floor pan. And get that all done. Get the fuel cell mounted in the battery box. Then the cage is about done. It's got a little bit of welding left to do on it. Then we'll be able to get the car and the cage, everything in primer, and get it painted. The floor pans, I'll probably going to coat them with something where I took all the sound deadener her up. But that's where she's at now. I'll catch you on the next video, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.